All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol PNTV. This one is currently traded at 0360. It looks like the last time that me and Joe went over it would have been on the 13th. That would have put us right at this area right here. That's the last time we took a look at it. I said 0160, close above 0162, needs to hold at 0155. So we started looking at this right here when it started trading in this channel is when me and Joe took a look at it. I wish that we would have looked at it again over here on the 20th where we could have spotted this bullish turnover. Unfortunately, it wasn't brought to us then. You guys, I mean, you guys know how I am. I like to keep it real as much as I can. You guys are hitting a resistance level right now at the 0360 area. You guys had a big freaking pop off of this. Me personally, it's getting overbought according to the charts. According to the technical analysis that I look at, you guys are starting to get overbought. PNTV, let's pull up the time in sales. You're starting to see a little bit of selling, not too much, a little bit earlier. Doesn't look to be too bad right now. But it's up 33%. I'm going to put a hold on this right now. I think that it's overbought now. I do. I apologize. I mean, I understand that you want to hear one thing, and I can't always say that because I'm not going to give you something, you know, just to tell you what you want to hear. And honestly, I mean, that's the way to do it. 0360, hold. Chart is getting overbought. Now, a lot of people say, well, how do you get the chart overbought? It's just a chart. You know, whatever the case might be, why would you get that? Well, you got to remember that with these stocks, I was guilty of this back in the day too, back when I used to trade, is that of course you want it to keep running. Of course you want it to keep running, but it doesn't work like that. And the reason why is that, well, real quick here, one more thing I want to add here. Gap at, I'm going to add this in here so I don't forget, 0269.0269 to 0279 to 0.0279 hold. Yeah, so it will so I just want to kind of give you guys a little bit of insight. I mean, I've thought about doing, you know, separate videos on how I see stuff. I don't know if I look at it different than other people because, you know, just of looking at them so long, whatever the case might be, the indicators, whatever. So you guys got a gap right here. And when somebody says the chart's overbought, you can take it a few ways. One way that I personally always take it, and what I mean by it, okay, is that when a chart gets overbought, you got to remember that somebody bought the stock right here, right? And you got to also remember that somebody up here bought the stock. Somebody bought it here and somebody bought it here. This guy that bought it down here could have just sold to you up here. So now he's out with 100% gain. And now you're hoping that it continues to go. Somebody's always buying it. Someone bought it way up here. And now they're already down right out of the gate. So now they're probably pissed off, whatever the case is. I understand. You want it to keep going. I think that's going to pull back. And you know what? I get a lot of people that come back and say, hey, no, I disagreed when you were doing the video, but you were right. You know, and then that's what happens. And that's how you build that up. That's a lot of people tell you what this is and what that means. I try to make a call. I try to give you a call of what I think is going to happen. And I try to keep that inside 80%. Gets tough sometimes, but I try. PNTV, if you follow this one, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check out the live stream and make sure you join the site. All these tools completely free.